Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. How's it going? I've got a great video for you that's going to definitely make you more money. I'm going to show you how to make more profit with this Shopify Upsell app, and it's going to be incredibly powerful. And I'm going to show you over the shoulder in a little bit exactly how to do this, but I want to talk about why you want to upsell. And the first and biggest reason is that you like more money, right? I mean, that's the obvious reason. That's the reason why this video is talking about how you're going to make more profit by upselling. And this is all about increasing your average order value, basically getting people to give you more money per order. Bottom line is making more money in your pocket. And upselling, there's rising ad costs, Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads getting more expensive. You need to upsell to profit. And I don't think this is even an option anymore. Upselling is required if you simply want to make the most money. And post-purchase upsells, which I'm going to show you today, definitely have the lowest friction points, lowest stopping points, and it's a really popular way to really make every single dollar and without leaving any dollar on the table, maximize the amount of money that you're going to make with your Shopify store. A lot of people want to question, where should I put the upsell? What page should the upsell be on? And what I'm going to be talking about here and showing you is really what I think the most powerful way, the checkout confirmation page. And this is after the customer finishes buying, really powerful. There are some good upsell apps out there. They work before the checkout, but they do cause some friction, right? Because the offer is before the checkout, there are some friction points, some stopping points, could lose the buyer. The best place to upsell is after the customer has purchased, and there's a lot of attention on that page. Every single person pays attention to the confirmation page, right? You take a look at it and you say, okay, my order was confirmed. That's what I needed to know, right? You get to showcase products to active buyers, and you get to, of course, offer them one-click add to order. So I'm going to go over the shoulder. I'm going to show you Sweet Upsell for Shopify. First of all, you can see the link directly below this video, so you can jump into Sweet Upsell right now. And I'm going to actually show you a side-by-side, but let's go over the shoulder right now, and you'll see exactly why this is so powerful. So on the left, you are seeing your traditional Shopify checkout. It's the confirmation page, and of course, it's a high attention page because everyone wants to see their order is confirmed. And you'll get your order confirmation, your order number, blah blah blah. You could take a look at the order summary. This is the traditional Shopify checkout, and on the right-hand side, this is Sweet Upsell, and you see the immediate difference over here. Same order summary, order information, order confirmation, but the Sweet Upsell is shown right here on the actual confirmation page. Very, again, high attention page. Everyone is going to be taking a look at this order. And if you see over here, it's a one-click add to order button. This is incredibly powerful. If you keep scrolling down, that have the customer information, the billing address, same as you have on your traditional Shopify checkout. So you're not losing anything, but what you're gaining is a great opportunity to make a lot of money. And I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create something exactly like this in your store with Sweet Upsell. But you see the immediate difference here on your checkout page. All the same information, except we have that really powerful one-click add to order upsell. That's the power of Sweet Upsell right there. This is the Sweet Upsell site. You see the link directly below this video, and you can take a look at and scroll through here, take a look at all the great features, all the great things you're going to be able to get, all the great testimonials from some real power users that are really using this app to its fullest. Monthly plan, annual plan, 100% money back guarantee. Take a look at the FAQs and everything, but all you need to do to get started is press the Start Free Trial button. From here, you could literally just press Start Free Trial, and you're going to be able to connect and create a new account. This is totally free. You'll need to do it through here instead of the Shopify App Store, and once you go through this process, you're going to be sent back over into your Shopify store where you'll have the Sweet Upsell app installed. And this is the first thing that you'll see is a little welcome message, and it's going to tell you that they created the product repeat upsell. This is basically the base upsell offer. This is going to be set up automatically. And, of course, you can create other upsells in here. We'll kind of show some of the features in the back end, but this is a really great one. They also say it's their most powerful. It converts higher than any other upsell offer, so you can use that one as well. So this is your Sweet Upsell dashboard, and you're going to see all your stats here, right? Your upsell statistics, obviously impressions, how many people saw it, how many people added it to cart, what's your percentage, how many people actually checked out, and your most important number, how much money you made from your revenue. And I just installed this just to show you the step-by-step over here. And you see that we have the product repeat upsell. And I'll go over a couple of examples of really powerful upsells that you can use with this. But again, remember, this is after the purchase, so it's a post-purchase upsell. And you see there's a bunch of different things that you can do over here. And of course, also seeing stats, I think, which is very important, not just overall stats, but stats on a per upsell basis. and we can go in here and edit the upsell just to show you kind of the different options that you have. So this is just your name, right? And this would be able to be set up for any upsell. You create the name, right? No one's going to see this except you. And now this is where you actually trigger your products. And a trigger is basically, and it says over here they have great documentation, but a trigger is basically the reason why an upsell is going to show. And you could trigger it on any product, right? That's what this is happening right now, basically triggering any product. And you could set an individual trigger. So let me give you a really powerful example, okay? Let's say you have some cat t-shirts in your store, okay? You got a cat t-shirt in your store, and that's really popular. People are buying it a lot, okay? And just for example's sake, I'll just bring one up here just so we could have a more solid example. So we got a cat shirt over here, and someone buys the shirt, okay? They buy the shirt, and they get presented with a post-purchase upsell because we set this shirt as the trigger. And we could literally come right over here. We could select products into the trigger here. That would be set up. We could literally select that product. We could select catalog, collections, as you see here, right? So a lot of different information that they have here. A lot of different options, I should say. A really powerful one, right? You have this product as the trigger, okay? So it only shows up when someone buys this product. Remember, it's a post-purchase upsell. You say, okay, in the post-purchase upsell, we can come over here and right over here in the text, we could say something like, hey, you're going to love your brand new Meow shirt. This would also look great as a cell phone case. And you present them with the cell phone case. Okay, so that's one upsell idea. With print on demand, it works very well. It's upselling the same product in a different variant. So our trigger would be our cat shirt, Meow. And then what we would upsell, instead of having an upsell collection, right, and this is set to be dynamic right now. We're not going to use, this is just a different one where you have dynamic filled results. The one I'm giving over here is a very specific example. In the products that would be presented, it would not be a collection. It would just be the very specific product you're talking about, right? The upsell text would say, you're going to love the new shirt you got. This would also look good as a phone case, and you can replace phone case with anything. This would look great as a hoodie. This would look great as a dog bandana. This would look great as a wall canvas in your office, whatever. And then the product that you offer them is the product that you mentioned, right? That's the idea of upselling and print on demand, where you offer the same design on a different product. Okay, let's talk about a different example. And of course, you could just literally go top to bottom here when you create a new upsell, and you could just create your own information here. Right? Basically, these are just examples that I'm giving you. I'll give you another example, okay? Let's say we have a best-selling product. Okay, let's say that someone's buying this product, but in reality, this is our best product in our store, right? This four-legged, love is a four-legged word, whatever. This is our most popular selling product, but we have someone who bought this product over here, this cat shirt. Okay, they bought this shirt. So our trigger is this shirt. Okay, our trigger could be dynamic in terms of just being any product, but our trigger is going to be a specific shirt in this example. Okay, they bought this shirt. Now we want to give them an upsell. Okay, it's not going to be dynamic. We're going to give them a specific upsell, and this is called the most popular product upsell. So we're going to present them with this product. And in fact, you could set this up multiple times, or you can create the fact that any order will show this product because it's your most popular product. So whatever your most popular product is, the reason that we would offer it as an upsell offer is because we know it's the most popular. It's going to be the highest conversion. It's going to be the highest converting product that we could offer, and we want people to take the upsell as often as possible. So let's give them our best product. So you upsell, instead of the same design, you upsell a different design, whichever one is your most popular. Okay, that's the second type of upsell. And again, it'll literally be right over here. Just creating it, editing your offer headline so it's specific. You could say something like, wait, check out our most popular product of the month, too. All right, then show your most popular product. Okay, you can give discount codes over here, percentage or fixed amount. You could charge shipping or not. You can enable a countdown timer to really add some scarcity and urgency. You can even disable multiple upsells if you don't want them to see multiple upsell offers, which I don't see any reason not to. And again, a couple more options over here. But really, for the most part, you're just going to be over here. The triggers, the text, and if you have any discount or not. Okay, so I'll come back over here. I'll give you another example as I'm showing you one of the previews here. Here's a little preview of what the upsell would look like. So let's say we have a trigger product being Meow over here. So the page would look something like this. This is going to be what the customer sees, and we're offering them, in this case, it was a 50% discount on this product. And this is just an example. So we wanted to show something in there. Obviously, in a real example, we would have a real purchased product from the customer. So we were just kind of doing a little demo here, but this is how you can preview how it's going to look. So you've got the text that you supplied there. We had the discount set up over here. You see 50%. And of course, we can come right back in here and edit them. We can also reset statistics if you're running a new ad campaign or something like that. So really, really powerful there. A third example of an upsell that I want to share with you is really the idea of bundling. And this would be similar to a gift-related upsell. So we can come in over here and do, be the same process where we create an upsell, and we can create a trigger product on really any popular product that is popular for the holidays or popular for gift giving. That could be the trigger. And then our upsell could be something like either our most popular product, or it could be a bundle of the same product, but in a family pack. I often do that during the holidays, and what I do is create a bundle of products and then upsell that. And it could be a manual bundle. You literally create a product called Family Pack or Christmas Pack, and you can present that as an upsell. So when people buy a shirt, you could also present them with a great gift option. So I call that the gift upsell. So you have the same design, different product upsell. You have the most popular product upsell, and then you have the gift upsell. 3 different upsells that are going to work perfectly with the Sweet Upsell app. And again, it's super simple. It's just a one-page setup over here, and really the most important stuff is over here. You can turn off the discount and really just deal with the text, the trigger, and the upsell products. So again, you got the link directly below. Sweet Upsell. It's truly sweet. It's a great upsell app. It's really, in my opinion, the best post-purchase upsell option that you have right now. So make sure you check it out, get it into your store, get that free trial, and I hope this video helps you make some money.